Okay, y'all, we are here. And here goes some of the cars. This is cute, y'all. I thought those was, they called the donuts, but these ain't donuts. Nice interior. What kind of car this is. Okay, y'all, here goes some more over here. This is pretty. Y'all know I'm a sucker for me a red car, right? Ooh, yes, honey. Isn't that beautiful? All right. This is cute. I love these thin steering wheels. That's really, really cute. This, y'all. Oh man, this one right here is real slick. This one nice, guys, right? Love it. So clean. Okay. His buddy is out here. He got a car. I said we'll make our way down there. He ain't going nowhere. Look tiny in the back seat, y'all. Ain't that pretty? Okay, I'm feeling this one. Oh, they totally restored this engine. Nice little wheels on there. Yeah, this is really, really nice. Said it's only about 1,600 of these, y'all. This is beautiful. Uh-oh, here go one for sale, baby. Too little. Y'all see this one? Oh, this is nice, guys. Isn't that pretty? Now this one right here, oh yeah. Y'all, what y'all think? It's beautiful. I know y'all like this black beauty right here. Look at this one. Look at this, y'all. I know, right? Look at Skylight. So this, the hood is a hard top. And it comes off. Y'all see that? How about that? The Skylight? Oh, spotlight. Wow. Okay, okay. Huh? Okay, I want to see these and then I'm going to make my way around. Tell these people love their cars, honey. Look at this one. I like the ones like this. That's real nice. Like that one? Oh, this is beautiful. About it.
37 Oldsmobile.
37 Oldsmobile, y'all.
148K, 6,000 photo.
Wow. This was in a couple of movies, right?
It was just in the Halloween show last October. Great Halloween break fight.
Okay.
The host took a trophy and a $50,000 check to the house.
Okay. That's the owner, y'all. He look like he matched his car, don't he? He look cool. The car look cool. Okay. Dressed at the Grim Reaper, y'all. Okay. Let's see the interior. Oh. Now see, this all me right here. Y'all like it? Oh, I like this. Y'all know I love me a red car. Oh, this is beautiful. I'm a sucker for a red car. Let's see. I want to get the side view of this one right here. This is really pretty. Nice and clean. Boy, they love their cars. so low to the ground, honey. Mama might not be able to get up out of this one. Oh, God. I might not be able to get out this one. It's nice, though. Look at this. Ooh, look at the tires. Man. Let's see what it's looking like on the inside. Okay. Is this an El Camino? I remember back in the day, boy, these were so popular. Oh, I love this one right here. Man, that's pretty. This reminds me when I was a little girl, visiting my relatives down in Mississippi, and we riding around in cars just like this. Look, with no seatbelts, and we survived. Oh, look at that. It's beautiful. Oh, another one. All right. This is really cute. See, I like these old cars like this that's been restored. Look at that interior, y'all. Isn't that pretty? That is so pretty. Yeah, they put a lot of money into this one. Look at that. Yeah, they put some coins in this one, honey. Y'all know I love me a red car. This is a nice Camaro. Very, very nice. Oh, look at that. Oh, okay. So this is hubby's friend car. Valiant. This one nice, guys. Y'all like this one? Station wagons used to be this big. Interior. Front. That. And that. It's really nice out here, guys. This was like the perfect day. Right here. This side. This side. Oh, it's got the lid of purple. Look at what they did. Okay, I see you. Y'all know which movie this was from. Look at that. We got the DeLorean. How about that? So nice out here, y'all. Oh, this yellow one is pretty. I'm getting hungry, y'all. We're gonna have to find somewhere to eat. I think this is it for the pretty cars. Hope you guys enjoyed the car show. Thanks for coming in and spending the day with Daphne. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And I'll see you in the next video.